The Encore Hotel is one of the best Vegas Strip hotels if you want an amazing room, with an amazing bathroom, high-end decor inside, out, and throughout the resort, and great services and facilities. You will pay a bit more, but you will feel as if you have actually stepped out of your holiday or vacation in every aspect. That is because the character and atmosphere of the Encore Hotel is one of excellence. If you are not on a budget, this hotel comes highly recommended and well-deserved. After making a reservation at the Encore Hotel Vegas, what will strike you first is the design and prestige of the whole facility. The Encore Hotel has been lauded as being just the perfect location in Vegas for meetings, weddings, and has even been awarded the AAA 5-Star Diamond Award, with the Tower Suites receiving a 5-star acknowledgement from Forbes. It is ranked amongst the best hotels on the planet. The interior of the hotel is a mix of Eastern characters and extravagant designs. To develop a sense of comfort, the hotel spots large windows, a quality of the Wynn property. To make the location appear airy, natural light has been filtered into the Encore Hotel and Resort for an even more comfortable interior. In addition, there are a bunch of activities that you can do while visiting Vegas and residing at the Encore to gain maximum satisfaction from your experience. For example, if your desire is to gamble, then there is a gambling establishment that is amongst the favorites, with almost 7,000 square meters of gaming space. The gambling enterprise environment is an ambient and timeless one that will stimulate the fun for gamers. Another experience at the Encore that will wow you is the food. At the Encore, you get to choose from a variety of 5 restaurants. Food is never ever the problem at Encore. Whether your desire is laid-back dining, you will be really pleased by the services you receive. Among the favored restaurants here is the Sinatra. After a meal, try one of the 2 heated, large swimming pools, which are a real retreat. There are likewise 2 jacuzzi health spas you can visit to indulge yourself. Nightlife at the nightclub found in the Encore Hotel or among the 7 bars is an option for the evening. You can also choose golfing if you need a day in the open. Hair and beauty can be taken care of at the exceptional beauty salons found in Encore. This is an excellent place for fans to get married and a best site for conferences, provided the substantial convention space. You will have a once-in-a-lifetime experience at the Encore Vegas. So, the next time you plan a trip to Vegas, you have to visit the Encore Hotel, even if it's only because of the character and atmosphere of the Encore Hotel. The hotel is admired as being simply the best location in Vegas. If you are not on a budget, this hotel comes highly recommended and well-deserved. hope that this video gives you the much-needed information if you're ever planning on visiting the Encore Hotel. And we also hope that you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. We also have another video which covers the Wynn Hotel as well. Be sure to check that out. Don't forget to hit the like button, as it helps the channel immensely. Subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.